For hydrovac fleet owners, the safety of your employees is paramount. The high-pressure stream of water from dig wands poses huge risk to people and property if an operator drops or loses control of a dig wand. Introducing the Aarcomm Kill Switch Pro for dig wands, the first motion detector and waterproof wireless kill switch. Our wireless kill switch detects unsafe movement and automatically turns off water pumps. Since a high-risk situation can develop faster than a human can react, motion detection is a critical feature for a dig wand kill switch. The wireless kill switch's motion detection features will automatically cut the stream of water when they sense the dig wand moving to an unsafe angle or acceleration. Its motion-based control also eliminates trigger finger fatigue, enabling an operator to focus on the job rather than holding the water flow control. With 3 innovative and easily interchangeable modes, operators can work at an angle, horizontally or vertically. An added accelerometer tracks the G-force and automatically cuts the stream of water when they sense the dig wand moving to an unsafe angle or at an unsafe pace. Easy to install and even simpler to match, the wireless kill switch will have you up and running in no time. Contact Aarcomm today for more information on the Aarcomm Wireless Kill Switch. Take control of your operations with unmatched performance and reliability.